Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best wine decanter cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any wine enthusiast, transforming the chore of cleaning your delicate glassware into a simple and satisfying task, ensuring that every pour is as pristine as the first, and preserving the integrity and beauty of your cherished decanters for years to come. Number 5. Turbo Microfiber Bottle Brush Cleaner Pack. Introducing the Turbo Microfiber Bottle Brush Cleaner Pack, a comprehensive set designed for all your cleaning needs. This pack ensures every bottle, from baby bottles to wine decanters, gets a thorough clean. This versatile kit includes brushes for water bottles and tumblers, a specialized narrow brush for hard-to-reach necks, a small brush perfect for baby bottles, and a dedicated straw cleaner. Crafted with durability in mind, each brush features a sturdy handle and neck, robust nylon bristles, and rust-resistant stainless steel components. They are also dishwasher safe for your convenience. Whether you own a Hydro Flask, Yeti, or any other popular brand, these brushes are designed to effectively clean them all. They are your go-to solution for any bottle. This BPA-free set isn't just for bottles, it's perfect for tumblers, glasses, wine decanters, and even tackling tough jobs around the kitchen sink. It offers a deep clean for a variety of items. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns about your cleaner brushes, our dedicated team is ready to assist you. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with multiple brush sizes, including a dedicated straw cleaner. If you need to clean a variety of items from baby bottles to water bottles and even wine decanters, this versatile pack is a great choice. Its durable build ensures it can handle regular use. What people say. The set has the different lengths and widths to suit every need. They have nice handles and the pricing for the quality was absolutely great. The brushes were a lot bigger longer than any bottle brushes I'd had previously, which turned out to be a good thing. Number 4. Boao 3-piece Decanter Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing the Boao 3-piece Decanter Cleaning Brush Set. This set makes cleaning hard-to-reach areas in your bottles and glasses a breeze. Crafted with reinforced foam bristles and smooth stainless steel cleaning balls, these tools are designed to be gentle on your delicate glassware while ensuring a thorough clean. Just add the cleaning balls and water, then gently rotate to tackle stubborn stains. Use the flexible brush to wipe away wine stains from the inner walls for a sparkling finish. Perfect for decanters, wine goblets, cups, coffee pots, and bottles. It's a practical tool for any household and a thoughtful gift for wine enthusiasts. After use, simply rinse the brushes and balls with water and let them air dry. This ensures they are ready for your next cleaning task and provides a long service life. This comprehensive set includes 3 different sizes of foam brushes and approximately 150 cleaning balls, all conveniently stored in a space-saving container. What we like. This option comes with flexible foam bristles and includes cleaning beads for a thorough scrub. If you're looking for a way to easily tackle hard-to-reach stains and sediment in your wine glasses and decanters, this set is ideal. The combination of brushes and beads makes it perfect for wine enthusiasts. What people say. Cleaned off residue well. This is a thick foam but no smell to it, which is promising. Makes washing a pleasure. Like using a washcloth in hard-to-reach places. Dries fast and seems durable. Love the size options. It's perfect for our decanter. Number 3. Riedel Cabernet Crystal Wine Decanter 1440-13. Introducing the Riedel Cabernet Decanter, a practical and elegant piece for any wine lover. Its striking angular design makes a statement in any setting. Crafted from clear crystal glass, this decanter showcases the beauty of your wine. It's designed to hold a standard bottle, enhancing your wine experience. Whether you're enjoying a young white or an aged red, this decanter is perfect. Its functional design helps to aerate and improve the taste of all wines. To keep it looking its best, Riedel recommends using bottle cleaners to remove any stains. Maintaining its clarity is simple, ensuring it's always ready for your next pour. With a generous capacity of 25 ounces, it's ideal for a full bottle. This allows ample room for aeration, unlocking the full potential of your wine. As a must-have for wine lovers, this decanter is part of Riedel's range of functional, machine-made options. It offers quality and style at an appealing price point. What we like. This is a premium crystal glass decanter designed specifically for wine lovers. If you appreciate the finer aspects of wine presentation and want to properly aerate your wine, this elegant piece is a must-have. It's perfect for showcasing both young and old wines. What people say. Decants superbly, and if I don't use all of the wine, it pours easily back into the bottle. The shape makes it extremely easy to clean, and even stick a dish towel into to dry. Low maintenance was a high priority for me. It fits comfortably in the hand. My wife and I both find that in many cases it's actually easier to pour from this decanter than the original bottle. Number 2. Riedel Bottle Cleaner Beads. Introducing the Riedel Bottle Cleaner Beads, designed to keep your carafes and decanters pristine. Say goodbye to stubborn sediments with this innovative cleaning solution. These cleaning beads are designed for long-term use. When used correctly, they can be reused indefinitely, making them an eco-friendly choice for your glassware. Part of the useful glass collection, these beads are specifically crafted to maintain the clarity and beauty of your decanters. They ensure your glassware always looks its best. Please be aware that these cleaning pearls may not be suitable for all decanter designs. They are not recommended for use with models such as horse, black tie, or face-to-face. The package dimensions are 1 inches L x 1 inches W x 1 inches H, making them easy to store and handle. Enjoy a simple and effective way to clean your valuable glassware. What we like. These cleaning beads are designed to help prevent sediment in your carafes and decanters. If you want a reusable and effective way to maintain the clarity of your decanters without extensive scrubbing, these are a great option. They are particularly useful for regular decanter maintenance. What people say. It is a good buy for those glass items that refuse to come clean or are hard to reach into. This is a surprisingly effective way to clean hard-to-reach glassware and crystal. As a person with large hands, this is especially beneficial for me. So for small-necked carafes, decanters, IPA glasses, etc., this is very helpful. I was surprised to see that the wells of my decanters cleaned up really beautifully. I had not stopped to think that there had to be some slight mineral residue from washing that occurs not just on the bottom, which takes most of the abuse, but along the entire inside of the decanter. Number 1. Professional Wine Glass Cleaner and Crystal Cleaning Liquid. Introducing our professional grade cleaner, designed to make your wine glasses shine. Experience the true essence of your wine with every sip. This powerful cleaning liquid is perfect for all your crystalware. Achieve a streak-free shine that enhances the beauty of your delicate items. Don't let smudges or residue dull your wine's presentation. Our formula ensures your glasses are perfectly clear, allowing you to fully appreciate the color and aroma. Formulated to be tough on grime but gentle on your fine glassware. It effectively removes fingerprints and water spots without causing damage. Each bottle contains 16 ounces of our premium cleaning solution. It's the perfect size for regular use in your home or for professional settings. What we like. This professional cleaning liquid is designed to enhance the true essence of your wine. If you're concerned about residue or odors affecting your wine's taste and want to ensure your glassware is perfectly clean, this solution is for you. It's ideal for those who want to experience their wine without any compromise. What people say. It cleans your stainless steel and makes it all look brand new. It leaves the glassware sparkling, it rinses quickly and easily, and leaves nothing behind. It only takes a small drop per glass. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.